All right, good morning. Sunday, another project, another infinite projects. I'm gonna use the same video for the next 3 or 4 videos I'm gonna do. This is what I have planned for today for the 4 videos, possibly. 2016 to 2019 Tacomas are kind of known for their power steering leaking, which mine actually is. So I had to get a new power steering pump, and it came with all the washers, gaskets, washers and seals. Next thing I'm gonna do is the truck has 60,000 miles, so I need to change the serpentine belt. The next thing I'm gonna do is, unfortunately, the inner boots of my axles are cracked. I just bought those things. I had it for about a year. It was sitting. I put the truck in. I put it in the truck, and it cracked. So I have my old stock axles, and I'm gonna put silicones, the extended travel. I did something different by putting the extended travel on the outer CV boots, and it's working really good right now. So I'm gonna do the inners now. I've never seen anyone do both inner and outer, so I'll try it out, see how long it lasts, and that should be it for today. Oh, I might do a fluid extractor that I picked up from Amazon, and that fluid extractor will allow me to swap out and change out power steering fluids, transmission fluids, motor oils, all that. So I'll give that a shot. So I'll use the same intro for the next videos. Time to get on with today's infinite projects that never ends. See you guys in a little bit. So the first video is going to be changing out the serpentine belt. This is the part number. And it's real easy. First thing we're going to need is a 14 millimeter. I'll put a link in the description. Well, I'll put a picture up of the diagram. Well, you guys can probably find it online anyway. So I'll put a picture up now. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go underneath the car. We need to access the cam tensioner adjuster thing, and it's up here, right there. So it's right there. Just turn it with the 14 millimeter. I'll show you guys. Comes off. You just take it off and replace it. That easy. It should take you maybe 5 minutes, and you just have to route it around the cooling fan. So let me do that now. So if you don't want to waste time routing it around the fan to get it out, just cut it with a utility knife and you're done. Then simply route it back around the fan and turn the tensioner. That's pretty much it. So I have it out. And now I'm just gonna put the new one in, route it around, and that should be it. So let me grab the new belt. Now simply stick the new one behind the fan and in reverse order. Now we fight to get this thing back on. Okay, everything is set. And let go. All right, that is it. So the serpentine belt is on. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult, but I did it myself, and you guys should be able to do it yourselves too. Just take your time, be patient, and fight with it. Like I said, I left a diagram of the serpentine belt system. So that's it for this project. I still need to do I have to finish up the power steering pump project and the axles. So that's it for this project. I'm gonna do number 2 now. Thanks for checking out this video guys, and I'll see you on the next project.